How to fix can't log in with Facebook, Apple ID or email in PUBG. Hello guys, this is Atticus and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix the authorization error in PUBG. So let us get started. First, if you've just downloaded PUBG and tried to log into your account and you could not, what you'll need to do is simply head over to your settings first. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find at the apps section, tap on apps and search for PUBG. Now after you find PUBG, open it up and right there you will see background app refresh and an option called local network. Now I don't have the local network for some reason, but you will have it and you will need to turn that on. By default it should be on, both of these options should be on, but for some reason if it's not, just turn it on. And after you do so, you can simply head back over to your settings, head over to your general, go to iPhone storage, and here you'll need to search for PUBG Mobile. Open PUBG Mobile, tap on offload app and then reinstall your PUBG. So after you offload the app and reinstall it, you're basically good to go. But before that, we'll try another setting, that is head over to your iPhone, general, and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset all of your settings. Now here you can simply open up your airplane mode for a while. Now stay in the airplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds and then turn that off. Now after you do so, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now make sure that you have a really strong Wi-Fi connection, and after you do that, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, go to the menu section on the bottom right and you can simply go to the settings on the top right and scroll down till you find apps and websites. Now under your activity you will see apps and websites, open that up, and after you're there, scroll down and you'll see preferences. Now under preferences you will see apps, websites and games. Now make sure that this is turned on. Now let us turn this off for a while, and if you want to turn it on you will see view removed apps and websites. You will simply need to head over there and turn it on again. So simply turn it on and there you go, it's been turned on. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. Try to log into your PUBG after a while and then you will be good to go. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.